Now I'm going to show you how I build a frame. Obviously wearing safety glasses. This is for marking the holes for the ferrules on the outside, so I mark the 4 holes on each of the sides. And 4 holes are marked when I put the ferrules in. Top of the frame, I dry fit everything first, just to make sure it all fits roughly. You notice that one's got the angled, this one will go contra to that, the angle will go the other way. It's the top. If that doesn't fit in right, what I do is just shave a bit off with a Stanley knife, make that fit nicely. Right. Bit of wood glue, touch that side, touch that side. Right, push the top on. And then with a rubber mallet, just make sure they're in. Touch of glue in there. Press that in. Wipe any excess glue off. Then I'll put 1 nail in the bottom. And I just check to make sure the frame's square. And then I put 2 nails in the top. One in the side for luck. And there's a frame made.